In this easy DIY, we're going to take crayons and turn it into this beautiful and easy to make painting. So let's go grab a whole bunch of crayons and get started. You're going to need a bunch of crayons. I have 2 boxes of crayons. Some are glitter and some are just normal regular crayons. It does not matter what brand it is as long as you have just a bunch of different ones and a bunch of different colored ones. Start to remove the wrappers from all of the crayons, and if any of the crayon wrappers end up getting really stuck, sort of like this one, which this one I think I actually might have had in my car, so of course it's going to melt a little bit, just use some sort of sharpened tool. I'm using a scalpel and scrape off any of the extra little bit of wrapper. You do not want this because it's going to mess up your painting. Then continue to go and remove all of the wrappers from the crayons that you're using. I have a pretty wide variety of ones, and these are all brighter colors as well. You're also going to need 2 or 3 white crayons. Set those to the side, and also to save your wrappers or recycle them. Now on a canvas, you're going to go and use a heat gun to slowly melt these. It's going to take a bit of time. It took about 30 minutes to go and get all of the crayon down, but I sped everything up and I layered each and every one of the rows. And also too, don't worry about these mixing because we're going to go and mix the colors anyway. After all of your crayon layers are done, and also this is cooled down, go back with your heat gun, warm everything back up, and start to mix the colors. Pretty much just go left, right, use circular motions, go any direction, and just see how all of the crayon starts to flow together. There's really no right or wrong way to do this, just try to make sure you don't go and leave empty spots on your canvas, because if you do, then you might just have an area that doesn't have a lot of color. Use the heat gun and melt a white crayon. Do this from a distance and make sure you have something down so you don't get crayon everywhere. And then go and mix it again. Use the heat gun, heat everything up, and blend it together. You'll notice that everything's starting to mix, and this gives it a really cool marbled look. After it's cooled down, you can go and hang it up, and this is definitely a really unique and extremely easy to make piece that you probably already have everything just laying around at home. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take it easy and take care.